I got a listing appointment from Sarah from StreetText.
Yeah.
And a $1 million one. And then I got a $10 million listing from StreetText appointment.
10 million?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for all you're doing, and I'm ready to gather up some goodies this morning.
Between buyer and seller appointments, I have 9 this week. And I just got a call from a client that came in a year ago from the home evaluation ad. She's ready to look at a property. We're going to go look at it Thursday. And then I'm going to go to her house and tell her what she needs to do to get it listed.
Getting appointments and two-sided transaction opportunities with it.
There's so far 425 people and uncovered 33 hot/warm opportunities that are going to lead us into a strong Q1.
And I am running that downsizing ad, which has proven to be a great ad.
It was on a StreetText lead that came in today. No automations, no nothing have been sent out. We just made the call and he wants to sell now. So I just want to tell everyone, don't be scared to make the calls. Make the calls. People want to sell. But it literally just happened. So I just wanted to share it. It was a lead that came in 3:56 a.m. So, it's awesome.
I love it. Thanks, Heather.
And it was so easy. I could not believe it. So I literally took like a half hour and I put 20 remarketing ads into a bundle. And within, I'd say 4 or 5 days, I had some of my friends who are also agents. They're like, what just happened? I see you everywhere every day with something different on Facebook. And so, of course, I told them, I'm like, yes, because I'm awesome, of course, whatever. But I also had a seller down in Woodland. She's been on my Facebook for a while, and she messaged me. She said, we've been thinking about selling. I've been seeing your information every single day. We're ready to sell. We're moving out of state. So I've got her $1.5 million listing going on the market this Friday. And then she's also has another residence that she just built an apartment on. She goes, you can have that one too. So I basically have about $2.4 million in listings, literally no joke, from the remarketing ads, because she just kept on seeing me every single day.
Because 90% of our biggest problem is we all procrastinate about the things we've been meaning to do or get to. So it's a matter of sitting down and doing it.
And last week I booked the appointment with the guy, and he bought it like 2 years ago at a peak price. Okay, he wants to sell it because he can't afford the new coming mortgage, so he has to sell it.
But they reached out to us to see a house. We put under contract that week. They've got a house to sell.
Nonetheless, she called me. I went and showed her 1 property, 2 properties, and then boom, under contract, cash buyer.
It's the best lead gen system ever. I've been doing it 20 years and spent a lot of money on stupid stuff, and this is not one of them. So welcome.
She's doing some renovation first, so I check in with her every 7 to 10 days with a video text. But those are the two that are like actively engaging.
My win of the week is I just listed a $3.2 million listing.
And I have an appointment on Friday with one.
And leads that I've been getting has been pretty amazing. I'm getting about $3.50 per lead. I got 358 lead in the last 2.5 weeks. And I would say about 30% of all the people that I'm talking to already have a home to sell when they're moving to. I don't mean that everybody's going to be moving tomorrow or next month, but I've been having really awesome conversations, connecting with people, sending them valuable emails, information, all the good stuff. I've set my first week and a half, I set 7 appointments, in-person appointments with these leads.
I have one today. It was a speed to lead, and it was cookie cutter. Yep, looking to downsize my home, looking to buy a home ASAP.
Us directly, okay. And by the way, I have very good success with the StreetText. I signed the one last week, 1,025,000. I have another appointment tomorrow, 750 house. Another one in the weekend, so it's very successful.
And if you keep going, even if people are canceling appointments, their name and number and probably their address. You are so far ahead of the pack for next year that your big problem next year is going to be keeping up.